Next topic is sexual reproduction or double fertilization. Sexual reproduction in plants is also known as double fertilization. This is a stamen. From stamen, the pollen grains they are transferred to the stigma, and the process is called pollination. The pollen grains they reach to the stigma from the stamen, and the process is called pollination. Stigma is usually sticky and it secretes some substances. Pollen grain on reaching the stigma, it absorbs those substances and it swells up. It swells up. Actually, pollen grain, this is pollen grain, this is the inner wall of pollen grain, and this pollen grain has an outer wall also. Inner wall is intine and the outer wall is called exine. This is intine and exine. When they absorb certain material, they swell up, and this swelling results in the formation of a tube like structure which is called pollen tube. Pollen grain, which has an outer layer called exine and an inner layer called intine. This is their structure when they reach the stigma. Upon reaching the stigma, the pollen grain they absorb the material secretion secreted by the stigma and they swell up, and this swelling results in the formation of pollen tube. Now the cells of the pollen tube they secrete some enzymes. These enzymes are called hydrolyzing enzymes. Hydrolyzing enzymes, अब ये pollen tube it will grow and it will secrete, the cells of the pollen tube they will secrete some enzymes, और वो एंजाइम क्या करेंगे, कार्पल के सेल्स को सेपरेट करेंगे so that pollen tube can grow in the downward direction. This is stigma. Then style. This part is the ovary. Inside ovary is present ovule. This is ovule, integument, embryo sac with egg cell, two synergids in the center, secondary nucleus or polar nucleus, and here three antipodal cells. तो ये pollen grains को they have to fuse with this egg cell. So let us see. First of all, the pollen grains they reach the stigma by the process of pollination. Second, the stigma of the carpel is sticky, इसीलिए ये यहाँ पे stick हो जाते हैं, fix हो जाते हैं, and pollen grain they absorb some secretion secreted by the stigma. This absorption results in the formation of pollen tube. Cells of the pollen tube they secrete hydrolyzing enzymes, and these enzymes, ये एंजाइम, अब ये देखो ये तो बीच में जो है स्टाइल है, अब स्टाइल के सेल्स को साथ साथ हैं, देयर इज नो इंटरसेल्युलर स्पेस बिटवीन, तो हाइड्रोलाइजिंग एंजाइम्स दे हेल्प द pollen tube to grow in the downward direction and to pass through the style. तो वो स्टाइल के सेल्स को सेपरेट करेगा, पोलन ट्यूब ग्रो करेगी, एंड द पोलन ट्यूब इट अल्टीमेटली पोलन ट्यूब इट रीचेज द ओव्यूल. सेपरेटली दिखाने के लिए हम सिर्फ पोलन ट्यूब को कलर कर सकते हैं. This is how the pollen tube is growing and it is entering inside the ovule. So, like other cells of the body, pollen grain was also a cell. It had a nucleus. जब pollen tube enter करती है inside the ovule, just before that, the nucleus of the pollen grain, it divides into two, and these two are called male nuclei. The first male nucleus, it fuses with, first male nucleus fuses with this egg cell, and this process is called syngamy और फर्टिलाइजेशन. सिंगेमी भी कह सकते हैं, फर्टिलाइजेशन भी कह सकते हैं, एंड इट रिजल्ट्स इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ zygote. The second male nuclei will fuse with this polar cell. Second male nucleus, it fuses with the polar nuclei or the secondary nucleus, and it leads to the formation of endosperm. Endosperm is the protective tissue. अब ये zygote किस में develop होगा? This zygote will develop into embryo, and embryo से हमारे को मिलेगा plantlet, radicle and plumule. तो इस डेवलपिंग एम्ब्रियो को न्यूट्रिशन कौन प्रोवाइड करेगा? एंडोस्पर्म. द फ्यूजन ऑफ सेकेंड मेल न्यूक्लियस विद पोलर न्यूक्लियाई, दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड this is called triple fusion. Since the fusion or the fertilization is occurring twice, the process is called double fertilization. Male nucleus and the egg cells, they are produced by which cell division? Meiosis. तो meiosis से जो सेल प्रोड्यूस होते हैं उनमें हाफ होता है क्रोमोसोम नंबर. तो जितने भी थे ये मेल न्यूक्लियस, egg cell, second male nucleus, these are having half the number of chromosome, and one set of chromosome is called haploid. ये haploid था, तो इन्होंने क्या बनाया? डिप्लॉयड zygote. ये था हमारे पास क्या? मेल न्यूक्लियाई. दिस वॉज ऑल्सो हैप्लॉयड. और हमने पढ़ा दो हैप्लॉयड सेल, वन फ्रॉम दिस एंड वन फ्रॉम दिस एंड, दे फ्यूज्ड इन द सेंटर. तो ये क्या था? ऑलरेडी डिप्लॉयड था. तो एंडोस्पर्म हमको कैसे मिलेगा? n+2n. इट विल बी ट्रिप्लॉयड सेल that is having 3 sets of chromosome.